Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check spellings in Excel to avoid typos. So let's start with the video. So before we start, I'm requesting you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let's start with the video. So here we are, guys, and this is my demo. This is my Excel, screen, and here you can see there's a demo sample data. So here I'm going to show you how you can find out the wrong spelling on in Excel, how you can check the spelling mistake in Excel. So let's start with the video. So here you can see the day's name and this is sales like sample. So here you can see the Monday's spelling is wrong. So I'm going to show you how it will be corrected by it will be corrected by Excel. So in order to so here you can see the typos mistake. So here first you have to uh, go to the reviews and yes, type this in proofing option. You can see the spelling, tap click on the spelling and you can see uh, Excel has been checked the data. Before that you will get the one pop-up. You just click on OK and then this after that you get this pop-up and you can see the Excel has find the wrong spelling here. So this is a M A and D A, and Excel suggests us many suggests us like Monday, Monday. So you have to select the uh, right one and just change it. So when you click on change, it will be changed from here, and you can see there is a many option like ignore. If you want to ignore, if you think this is the right spelling, you can ignore it. You can ignore all. If there is a many mistake here, the Excel will show here. You just if you ignore all, then all spelling mistake will be ignored. If you think this is the right spelling and you want to add in Excel dictionary, so that Excel will not suggest you this is wrong spelling. So you can add to this, you can add this word to the Excel dictionary. Okay, if you want to change all, you can change from all. Autocorrect, you can click on autocorrect, then Excel will be correct automatically by as their information. So in my session, you just click check manually and just change, click on change. Then you can see the spelling has been changed from here. So that is how you can check spelling mistake or spelling in Excel. So you can use for whole Excel, and if you have used it, you can use it. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.